Hello. This tutorial is going to give you an idea how to manipulate or how to maneuver through the USGS, the U.S. Geological Survey website, which shows you earthquake locations and magnitudes over the last, well, it can be over the last day or week or month, depending on what you want to do. So here's how to operate this thing. This is live. So if an earthquake happens while we're filming this someplace on the globe, when I refresh, it will pop up here. You'll see another little dot. So here's how this works. You need to figure out how many earthquakes greater than 2.5 magnitude have happened globally over the last week. Here's how to do that. Click on this little gear, and you're looking for 7 days, magnitude 2.5 in the US. That's what you will click. I'm not going to click it because I want you to get your own numbers, and these numbers are going to be different because we're looking at this at a different time. So I'm going to click the last 30 days, 2.5 magnitude. So as I click this, it's loading, and I can turn this off. And now this display will tell me that globally there have been 1,852 earthquakes over the last 30 days that have a magnitude of 2.5 or more. In the United States, there have been 882. So, a ridiculous amount of earthquakes. They happen very, very often, and these are not things that are less than 2.5. So this isn't even all the earthquakes. It's just a portion of them. The next thing you need to do is to fill out a data table looking at where those earthquakes occur. So you can click on these geographic regions, zoom to Alaska, and that will tell you 433 earthquakes have occurred in Alaska over the last 30 days. Or clicking on California will show you 153 have occurred in California over the last 30 days. Central United States, 40 have occurred here in the central United States, including one in Missouri over the last 30 days. So they're very, very common. Last thing to point out is world. When you zoom out and see the whole world, you also get to see the boundaries of the tectonic plates. So you can see where those things occur, and the tectonic plates aren't named, but you can see at least the boundaries of them. And you'll notice that the earthquakes tend to occur along plate boundaries. Okay, that's what I want to point out. Hopefully this is enough to get you started. Go be awesome.